Hello, welcome to Stacey D's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gorgeous caramel sauce. Into a saucepan, pour 100 ml of water, cold water. And on top of that, 220 grams of caster sugar. Turning on the hob to a medium-high setting and just gently stirring until the sugar has dissolved a little bit into the water. And I'm going to leave the sugar until it starts to boil. The sugar's now on a lovely rolling boil, and we're going to leave it until it turns a nice amber colour, and then it's time to add our cream. I'll see you soon. Now it's turned a lovely amber colour, we take it straight off the heat, and you want to add 200 ml of double cream directly into it, and watch out because it will foam up. Watch you don't burn yourself. Once you've added your cream, put it back on your heat, and you're going to stir it and allow it to bubble away nicely until it reaches 106 degrees Celsius. You need your sugar thermometer handy for this, but if for any reason you don't have one, you're looking at around 6 minutes. The longer you leave this caramel boiling, the hotter it gets, the thicker it will be when it cools down. This caramel's nearly ready, it's getting nice and thick, and also it will harden a little bit as it cools down. You don't want it to get too hard either, so let's take the temperature of this and see where we are. At 107, taking the caramel off the heat and just leaving it to cool in the pan for a little bit. Don't be tempted to lick the spoon. After a couple of minutes, you can now pour your caramel into your jar. I put some boiling hot water in my jar because I didn't want it to crack when the hot caramel goes into it. It's worth doing. And now I'm just going to pour the caramel into here. The caramel sauce is now in its jar. Let's pop on the lid and leave it to cool. If you don't use it straight away, which is highly unlikely, you can pop it in the fridge and it lasts very, very well. And don't forget, you can use caramel sauce on absolutely anything. Everybody loves it. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make my yummy caramel sauce. If you did, why not make some today and send me a picture of it drizzled on something delicious. Until next time, bye.